like, subscribe and comment, especially for me, Vandana.
Oh my goodness, you're getting so good. Oh. Can you do it again? How did you do it? Can you do it again?
One, up, up. Up, up. Up, 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 up.
2 hours later.
Up, up.
Why are you guys screaming into the bowl, Nana? Good morning and welcome back to another vlog on Monica Sankalp.
So where did we disappear for so long?
We're now in Houston, Texas, and we took a little break from YouTube because
Visa, traveling and figuring out a lot of
immigration circumstances. But we're back, we're all together after a really long time, and I've never been happier. So since this is my first vlog back, I thought I'd just show you a day in my life. And we're starting with breakfast. I made overnight oats for the first time ever. I put in like cocoa powder, milk, chia seeds, oats. That's a little bit of honey, and that's it. So first stop is gym, but I do want to bake these granola bars that I've been eyeing for a while, and I think it's a really good alternative to snacking on things like chips and popcorn and.
Oh, can you wait 1 second?
No.
She meant popcorn and chips. Oh, okay. Now you can
No, I
say.
was gonna say like stuff that we've been snacking on lately, and it's just because we didn't have a healthier alternative. But today we will. I will make these granola bars, and with no sugar, might I add. I've tried these once before, so hopefully today is a hit as well. I'm also going out with my friends today for a fun dance class, which I've never been to a dance class. Maybe once or twice, but yeah, it's not something I do often.
Do we have some old clips of you dancing?
I don't know, I don't think so. So let's go. Made it to the gym, almost midway with my workout. We're training back and triceps today, plus a little bit of cardio because I've seen tremendous change. I'm also doing my fitness vlog, like the part 2 of it. So I don't know if I should give you the tip here or there. You know what, I'll just tell you. I highly recommend for anyone who wants to lose like fat, decrease the weight that you're lifting, don't focus on strength for a bit, and then increase your reps. Because ever since I've been doing it, I've seen such a tremendous change and like actual results. And then I also asked Sankalp to do the same, and then he also saw like similar results. So yeah, highly recommend. This is the like community like gym. It doesn't have a lot of equipment, but I'm trying to make do with what is there and just trying to find like alternate exercises to stuff that I need, which isn't here. But so far so good. There is also a beautiful pool outside, which I've been dying to get into. But I want to make like a pool day of it and take Advaito as well, because I know he's going to enjoy it so much. I'll show you the pool on my way out. But for now, I still have to train triceps and then cardio. So wish me luck. Okay, we finished triceps, back, and for cardio I thought I'd do like the Stairmaster. It's just my 3rd day on it, but today I don't think I have the physical capacity for the Stairmaster. So I switched to our trusted old treadmill, and I'm gonna do an inclined walk for about 15-20 minutes just as a finisher. And yeah, that's my workout for today. So this is the pool. Super tempted to just jump in right now fully clothed. One thing I was not mentally prepared for was the Texas heat. Actually, you know what? I was prepared for the heat. I just wasn't prepared for the humidity, which makes you start feeling all sticky and sweaty like 5 seconds into any outdoor activity, including walking. So there isn't much we can do during the day when it's super hot. But I think the evenings are a bit better. It gets a bit breezy here. Breezy. Hi, my babies. Oh, excuse me. I'm not in yet. Can I come in, please? No? You don't want me to come in? Why? Please let me come in. No, please. Did I take too long in the gym? Babe, he isn't letting me in. Please, baby ma. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, yes. It's important to make sure the door's shut. Yes, yes, I'm gonna put them away. There, yes, I know. You wanna put them away for me? Just throwing them away, okay. You don't have to throw them now. Thank you. Perfect. Well done. I'm waiting for Sankalp. We actually have an errand to complete, and I'm waiting downstairs for Sankalp to bring his bicycle, because I think he did get it repaired, but it needs something else done. I forget what it was exactly. But Advait and me are just accompanying Sankalp today, and he said he'll show us a little bit of downtown as well. So I'm excited to see what is in store for us. I think, wait, here he comes. Inti Sankalp chinnappudu unnavu malli.
It's my first love before Mauni.
I'm not offended because I know it's true.
We're going on a little trip. Go get my bike repaired. It needs some alignment. Then I'll show them the park nearby. And yeah, let's see. Let's go.
Never seen a quarter until today.
It's pretty good.
We walk to our closest metro station.
Okay, here's the deal, okay? It is going to be hot, but we have to go out.
Already
Otherwise, we won't be
sweating.
able to do anything here. But yeah, like I said, you have to go out. And it's like 5 o'clock right now. So if you don't do it now, then
Feels
you
like
won't.
1 p.m. Actually, Sankalp, now that we're here,
We made it.
I'm not complaining. It's actually nice to walk around downtown, and I feel like this is the best way to get to know a city. So since we just moved here, and by we I mean Advait and me, it's a nice way to explore and yeah, see places.
Yeah.
How do you know about this place?
randomly looked up on Google, and this is like a bunch of students here at Rice University who do these fixes. They have a list of services. I'll quickly show you, but yeah, very cheap, but they do a really good job of fixing whatever you need for your bike. Yeah.
Hi, handsome.
Chalo, let's go, baby.
I'm on my way to my first activity slash event that I signed up to do in Houston. I'm gonna meet my friend first, and we're going together. Fun story about how I became friends with this person, but I'll tell you that later. And for now, goodbye. Bye, baby.
The lighting is better here.
This way? Oh, sorry. Bye, my babies. Bye. On my way, and hopefully I'm not late. Also new to this place, so I get lost like a million times in these apartments. Made it in time, I think. Yes, I did. And Sneha, my friend, should be here right about now. Said that I'm gonna be meeting Sneha, my friend.
Hi.
I haven't told everyone how we became friends, which I thought would be interesting.
Yeah.
And if you want to tell them, you can.
Right now?
Yeah. What do you mean right now? Of course.
Sorry, cut. I started watching her vlogs on YouTube, and I really felt connected to her. And then I sent her a friend request on Instagram.
And then we became friends
Friends,
there.
yeah.
And then we met IRL. And now she's on a vlog. So I just thought that would be super cool to share. So if anyone else is watching and wants to be my friend
And wants to be on the vlog.
yes, and wants to be on the vlog, it will happen for you, okay? Like, don't just let it be a dream. No, I'm kidding. Okay, so we're waiting for your friends.
Yeah.
I'm okay. I'm okay. I also got that on camera, which is so embarrassing. And Sankalp will definitely like make it a part of the vlog. So, not excited about that. So here we are, end of the class, absolutely exhausted, can barely breathe, super sweaty. But here's the guru, the teacher, the mentor for today. And this is Vaidehi. You want to tell us about your classes?
Yes, so my name is Vaidehi. I have a company named Mayura Dance out in Houston. We do Bali Delights, which are 1 hour beginner-friendly classes, and also intermediate workshops that are more semi-classical and femme styles. So if you follow my page at mayura.dance on Instagram, you'll see our entire schedule. I hope to see you guys.
Highly recommend. If you're in Houston, then do check these classes out. It was an absolute pleasure to be here with Vaidehi. I am so sweaty and like all red in the face. Classes monthly?
Yeah, monthly.
Not weekly or every day?
Weekly, yeah. Now she posted a story today that she'll put every Tuesday,
Okay.
but you have to see.
Okay.
Sorry, did I interrupt your?
No, you're just gonna be on the vlog.
on
You're
vlog.
talking on the vlog.
Right.
So it's fine. It's fine. I don't know if Janvi and Vandana wanna be on the vlog. Are you guys like okay with YouTube?
I'll spoil your vlog. I'm so
Why?
shy. Please don't.
You just have to say hello.
Your
If you just
vlog will get spoiled if I speak some.
Vandana, do you want to say hi to everyone watching on YouTube?
Hello, everybody. Meghna, Monica. Sorry.
We just met. It's okay. It's
So
fine.
Monica friends అందరికి హాయ్ సబ్స్క్రైబర్స్ అందరికి కూడా హాయ్ సో మీరు ఇంకా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి మాలాంటి అప్లోడ్ చేసే వీడియోస్ ని థమ్స్ అప్ ఇచ్చి ఎంకరేజ్ చేయండి తెలుగు ఛానల్
She watches YouTube a lot.
Yeah, that was like a pro. Well done, Vandana. We do English, Telugu. Yeah, Telugu only.
ఇంగ్లీష్ yes of course
you can say it in any language. Andarku ardhamaitadi, so it's fine. Anything is fine. But Vandana is a pro at YouTube, and I think you should like join the.
the only thing I do at home is like watch YouTube vlogs. So that's why I'm a pro. So guys, so this is the first time I'm doing a vlog. So please do share and subscribe and comment only for me, especially. And Monica is going to update me, and I'm going to send all my love wishes to you guys.
I think she's gonna lose subscribers. So all the comments are only for Vandana now. Okay, got it. Just saying thanks for watching our video, and these are the new characters that I forgot to introduce. Sorry, Vandana and Janvi over there. All the please, can you please come and say hi? Hello. Okay, much better. You guys want to say thanks for watching and anything to all of our.
Please subscribe to Monica and Sankalp.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching this YouTube video, and we appreciate your
the pro one.
patience. We appreciate your patience, and
Monica is gonna lose subscribers.
we're gonna post.
Why are you giving a speech?
We're gonna post more videos. I might or might not be in there, but please do share, like, subscribe, and comment, especially for me, Vandana.
Bye.
Bye.